Amphib USS Bonhomme Richard caught fire at Naval Base San Diego. Several sailors are injured after the amphibious assault ship USS Bonhomme Richard, LHD 6, caught fire at Naval Base San Diego. The San Diego Fire Department said on Twitter that several sailors were being treated for a variety of injuries. The Bonhomme Richard, an amphibious assault ship and light aircraft carrier, was docked for scheduled maintenance between deployments, said Krishna Jackson, a Navy spokeswoman. According to NBC News, a three-alarm fire on the amphibious assault ship USS Bonhomme Richard, LHD 6, was reported at 8:51 a.m. at the base located on 32nd Street, according to the San Diego Fire Rescue Department. San Diego is the ship's home port. The San Diego Fire Rescue Department said multiple agencies had responded to the fire. It was reported just before 9 a.m. at 34:55. Saint units arrived on the scene at approximately 10:10 a.m., the department said. No word yet on the cause of the fire. Several sailors are being treated for various injuries, including at least one injury from an explosion, according to a tweet from SDFB.